Imagine a fighter so advanced it rewrites the playbook on air combat, a platform built to dominate and engineered with one rival in mind. This is the F-47.
Born from the Air Force's next-generation air dominance program and built by Boeing, the F-47 has moved into production with a first flight aimed for 2028. Designed for stealth.
What makes the F-47 truly transformative? 3 big shifts. First, stealth and signature reduction. Broadband low observability, cooled exhaust, and fused sensors keep it hidden and aware. Second, range and reach. Over 1,000 nautical mile combat.
China's J-20 is already a capable 5th-generation stealth fighter, patrolling the skies since 2017. But the arrival of America's F-47 Razor, one of the first 6th-generation prototypes, reshuffles the deck. With its adaptive cycle engine,
J-36 programs, including the J-36, remain in test or prototype stages. The stealth jet has logged only a handful of flight hours, and its operational timeline is still unclear. Meanwhile, the United States is moving into full-rate production of the F-47.
China is racing, but the F-47 shifts the finish line. It's not just an aircraft, it's the network, the stealth, the reach, the supply chain. Component by component, Beijing can try to catch up. Closing the full ecosystem gap, that takes years.
Third, cost and logistics. With 6th-generation fighters, the real battles are fought long after takeoff, in life cycle cost, maintenance tempo, sensor resilience, and cyber defense. The F-47 was designed from the start.
With the F-47 on the horizon, the very nature of air power changes. First, deterrence shifts. If one side can penetrate deep, hold high-end air defenses at risk, and operate networked strike options, then regional adversaries must rethink their strategies.
China's window to contest air superiority is narrowing. To close the gap, they must master stealth, sensors, networks, and mass production all at once. The United States already has an answer. The F-47 doesn't just shift a battlefield, it shifts an era.
So what happens now?
Keep an eye on these key milestones. First flight of the F-47, scheduled around 2028. Then the production ramp and fielding phase, the Air Force is talking at least 185 airframes. And watch Beijing. Expect more 6th-gen prototypes, bigger drone swarms.
The reason this matters now is because the balance of air power in the Indo-Pacific and in global theaters is at a tipping point. A platform like the F-47, if delivered as planned, could reshape deterrence, force structure, and alliance posture. Its reach, sensors, and stealth edge give partners more options.
That's it for today's briefing on how the 47 could change warfare forever and why China may not be able to stop it. What do you think? Will the 47 deliver on its promise, or will China surprise us with a breakthrough? Let me know in the comments.
Whether you're a military tech enthusiast, defense analyst, or just a YouTube viewer wondering what's next, the F-47 marks a major milestone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future tech and defense breakdowns.